Hello everyone. Today we are going to install a self-hosted GitLab server. First of all, let's take a look of the requirements. We need Linux server or virtual machine. Also, we are going to create GitLab custom Docker image. We need Docker Compose and Docker engine. Also, we need self-signed certificates to make it works our GitLab server and GitLab Docker Registry. Let's start then. Let's create our custom certificates, self-signed certificates. I've prepared some scripts to generate root central authority certificate and server certificates. Let's start from the generating the root certificate. Okay, let's leave all values by default. Okay, let's create password for our certificate. Please pay attention, you have to remember this password for further signing certificates for the server. Okay, our root certificate is ready. Let's check it. Okay, then let's create our GitLab server certificate. Okay, command name will be GitLab internal. DNS name the same. Okay, IP address. This is the IP address of our server. My IP address is 1.140. Okay, using our password from the root certificate. Okay, that's it. We have root certificate and GitLab server certificate. Okay, then let's prepare our environment for the installation. Okay, let's create directory. Okay, let's create directory for the certificates. We will copy our certificates there and then we will use them during the Docker, creating Docker container. Okay, let's copy. Oops. Then let's create our Docker file for building image. Okay, what we have here, we are using official GitLab Docker image. We are creating a directory for our GitLab certificate. Let's call it GitLab secrets. And then we are creating subdirectory SSL. We are copying our certificates there. Also, we are copying GVTK file. We will generate it a little bit later. And we will copy our root CA into the Trust store. Okay, let's generate GVT token, GVTK file for the GitLab server. Okay, it's ready. Now we have all files in place. Let's check Docker file again. Okay, seems all is good. Okay, then let's create the Docker Compose file. Okay, let's check what we have here. Okay, we are using context current directory. We are using Docker file, which we already created. Okay, what else? We specify hostname GitLab internal. Also, we specifying some options for the GitLab server itself. You can see here, we are specifying paths with our certificates. Also, we are creating GitLab Docker registry, specifying port for it, HTTPS transport, and the URL of our Docker registry. In this block, we are specifying SMTP server options and configurations to have ability to notify users or admins from the GitLab server side by the email. Okay, what else? We specify here health check. It will check our GitLab server every 40 seconds. It is alive or not. Okay, also we are open ports and pass through them to the host machine 80 port, 443 HTTPS, 22 port for the SSH, and 5050 port for the GitLab Docker registry. Also, we are specifying volumes, bind them to the host machine to store configs, logs, all our data and our containers outside of the Docker. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've started building Docker container with the Docker compose command. For my VM, it will take approximately 10 minutes because I don't have a lot of resources for it. That's why we need to wait until it will be finished the building container, and after that, GitLab server started to configuring, doing migrations and other stuff. That's why it may take up to 15 minutes. Let's wait then. Our GitLab server installation almost done. Let's check it in the browser how it's working. As you can see, our root certificate, which we use for signing server certificate, is not in the trust store of this computer. That's why we have to add it in the trust store, and then we can use it for checking server certificate. I'm just copy root certificate content into my Windows machine and save it. File with the certificate should have a CRT extension to install it. Then we just need to add this file to the trusted store in our computer. That's it. Let's check again. Open our browser and trying to access the GitLab server. As you can see, there is no any warnings about the certificates, and our server is working. To access to the server, we have to know the password of the root user. We just have to use the simple command to check it, the default password which was generated while GitLab server installation and configuration. Okay guys, that's it. GitLab is working.